See, in this question what they have said, op-amp non-inverting amplifier, so we have to draw with a non-inverting amplifier. And if you know, non-inverting amplifier is connected with the positive terminal, right? So in this case, feedback is connected with the negative terminal, like this is RF, this would be R1, and we are providing voltage to the positive terminal. And what is the output voltage in this case? That is, output voltage is V in 1 plus RF by R1, right? So we know the value of input voltage, that is 0.5. We know the value of feedback resistance, that is 50 kilo ohm. We know the value of input resistance, that is 10 kilo ohm. We can put down all the values and then we'll get the final answer of the non-inverting amplifier, right? See, this is the diagram, like this is the diagram for the inverting amplifier, and this is the diagram for the non-inverting amplifier, right? This is the case for the voltage follower. This is the case for the summing amplifier. These are the output of the summing amplifier, and this is the case of the differential amplifier. And in this also I told you the voltage, output voltage formula. This is the case of the integrator, and this is the case of a differentiator. So you should remember all this.